This is Jacques DuPont. He wants to express himself by any means necessaire. Sometimes he stands inside, sometimes he stands outside. Occasionally, he stands in between. Avez-vous un procès bonus? Jacques wears an apron when he wants to, not when society tells him to. He appreciates nature, but he knows to keep a safe distance from it. He also hates limes. Please keep your arms and legs inside the garage at all times. Thank you. There is nothing Jacques likes more than a relaxing box of after-dinner quiz questions. Unfortunately, these days, packaging has become ridiculous. Sometimes the card is not to Jacques' liking. There's only one thing to do with this. Throw it on the floor. Jacques gets worked up over such things very easily. Landfill. It's a crime. Jacques loves to immerse himself in a good piece of literature. Every 3 seconds, a child is born without the ability to click. This is unacceptable. Thank you for your time.